my capacity here at Floyd, I teach our introductory journalism class. So that's where we teach the foundations of journalism. What is it? What is it not? There's a lot of things that make our student media program special. Personally, I'm a product of it. I was the editor of the Bagpiper when I was a student. We also get into specifics of yearbook and newspaper and online media, and then even as far into design and things like that.
We're lucky enough to have all sorts of cameras, especially two nicer ones that we've been able to acquire over the past few years. I've been able to have opportunities that I never thought I'd have. I went and took photos at an Indiana University basketball game my sophomore year. Without this class, without the people I've met, without the connections I've made, I never would have been able to do that. I love the things it's taught me, I love the opportunities it's given me, and I love being able to do this every day.
I didn't really know anything really going into yearbook besides how to take a picture. I didn't know how to edit them or crop them. I joined photography and got into yearbook and learned that you can't just put a picture in the middle of a page because it'll go in the crease. We're gonna start writing for incoming freshmen or even just like new families at Floyd, and we took pictures of each other and like what's in our backpack, and we could use that for what we see as important for school and how it relates to the classes that we need.
What I like most about teaching this kind of class and what I hope kids get out of it is that you're leaving here with actual skills. You know how to use Adobe InDesign or Photoshop or Lightroom, or you can edit a video now. You can lead a team in a design project. Like, those are real valuable skills, and skills that are going to be hard for, AI or something to replace, that human element of creativity. A job like this, you get to see kids be proud of what they do.